Hey, what's your name?
Jordan.
What's your middle name?
With
What's your last name?
Cushy.
And how old are you?
2.
2? 2 years old? And what's your favorite song?
Kiko, Kiko, you're the tall, how I wonder what's your the what's
Can you sing it?
Kiko, Kiko, the happy friends.
Would you rather read? Can you sing the song?
Kiko.
What's your name?
Cushy.
That's your last name. What's your first name?
Rich.
That's your middle name. What's your first name?
Jordan.
That's right. How old are you?
2.
Oh.
Back Cushy. Hey, back Cushy. Cushy. Oh, you're gonna missing.
What's your favorite song? Don't eat the crayon. What's your favorite song?
Kiko, Kiko, you're the top.
Can you sing it?
Cake. Kiko, Kiko, you're the top. I Kiko.
What's your name?
Jordan.
What's your middle name?
Cushy.
That's your last name. What's your middle name?
Rich.
Ah, and what's your favorite song?
Black Cushy. Cushy.
That's your last name. Karksy. Take 4. What is your name? What's your name?
Huh?
What's your
Cushy.
name? That's your last name. What's your middle name?
In the camera?
Yeah, the camera. What's your name?
Anything? Colin?
Jordan?
Colin, not Jordan.
Colin? Your name's not Colin. What's your name?
Colin.
That's not your name. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, take 7, maybe?
No, 2.
Take 2? Okay. What is your name?
In the camera?
Yes, into the camera. What's your name? Oh, Jordan.
Farhouse. That one or that one or that one. One, two. That one. I can find that toy. Or the ring. I can see. The turtle right here. I can find that one.
So, hi. Oh, where you going?
Hi.
Can you go sit in your chair?
No.
What is your name?
In the camera?
Uh-huh. What's your name?
Colin?
Jordan?
No, Colin.
Carlin? What's your name?
Jordan.
Oh, that's right. What's your middle name?
Cushy.
That's your last name. What's your middle name? That's close enough. How old are you? Hey, Jordan. What's your favorite song? Can you sing it?
Kiko, Kiko, your daughter. How I wonder what you are. Oh, see. My OT.